Alright, what is up, guys? I know it has been a while. Go check out Lego Builder 2000. I should have a newer video. Yeah, maybe two. But I know it has been a while on this channel because I forgot about this tablet. This tablet has pretty much all my channels except, actually, this one has all. I don't think it has Nerf Golden Productions though. But go check out Nerf Golden Productions. All my other channels, I'll have them in my subscriptions. But you guys know fidget spinners and fidget cubes are the new things. But before this, go down there, smash that like button and that subscribe button. You guys already knew it. Fidget spinner. Yes, I got one. I got like 10. I'm missing one because most of them I just lost. My favorite's my green and blue one, but this is brand new, black one, black bearings. We're going to do an unboxing and review. Alright, so of course, most fidget spinners come in boxes like this, unless you're getting one from, like, before, when you would get it from 7-Eleven, it would come in these little cardboard ones that were just covered, like a straight panel of cardboard on the back. Not bad. Also, go check out Crumbler Cape 97. He just did a Nerf Strife review. I mean, honestly, he's been my best friend since 3rd grade, and we like inspired each other to start making YouTube videos. Like, honestly, it's awesome. One of these bearings, I can definitely tell, are off balanced. That's what I get for $5. Because with my other one, I could just throw it from this finger to my middle finger back to there, or I could throw it from here to my thumb, or thumb to there, and then skip it over there. I could throw it really high, come down, I'll grab the caps and it'll still be spinning. This one's too off balanced. Yeah, definitely. But honestly, it's a good spinner for $5. But it's not as good as my other ones. Like, it'll start off good, but then it starts turning good. And you can tell it's a little wobbling. It's the only thing bad about it. Not gonna return it because honestly it looks dope. Nice bearings. Plastic piece that's holding the balls for the ballpoint bearing. Comment down below if you guys want me to go on to my Nerf channel and then turn a fidget spinner into a Nerf Jolt. Honestly, I could do that. Like, I could just cut right there.
My shoes are in the hallway.
Alright, sorry about that. Alright, but, I could cut that off, nothing to it, cut that, and then put it straight. Then I can just take the internals of a jolt and then put the plunger, like I could just mount like straight across down the side. And then I could take another fidget spinner and do everything the same, and then just cut the handle so it would be pulled from the bottom, and then just cut the spot, and I could turn it into a Nerf jolt. And keep an eye on my Nerf channel because I will be getting the ice of the Fire and Ice series jolt. Honestly, just keep in mind for that, and I'm going to turn one. I might custom make a fidget spinner, and that Nerf channel, I might rename it. I might call it Nerf Fun something because I'm gonna do a lot of Nerf unboxings and stuff on there. Well, now I am. Go check out Crumbler Cape 97. He did the Nerf Strife review. He has the same mod kits as me. But alright, so that's the black fidget spinner review. To me, it's nice. Feels comfortable, but you can definitely tell there's a weight off balance. I wanted to get a white one, but they were out of stock. I wanted to get a pink one, but not happening. Alright, sorry about that again. But, it's nice. Alright, so that's the end of it. This is just a quick vlog. I do not have any intros on this one, because I need to get a new one now. Alright, peace. Hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe. Like it.